Rani Ki Vav or Ranki Vav is a stepwell situated in the town of Patan in Gujarat state of India. It is located on the banks of Saraswati river. Its construction is attributed to Udayamati, daughter of Khengara of Saurashtra, queen of the 11th century Solanki dynasty and spouse of Bhima I. Silted. It was rediscovered in 1940s and restored in 1980s by the Archaeological Survey of India. It has been listed as one of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites since 2014. The finest and one of the largest examples of its kind, and designed as an inverted temple highlighting the sanctity of water, the stepwell is divided into 7 levels of stairs with sculptural panels, more than 500 principal sculptures, and over 1,000 minor ones combine religious, mythological and secular imagery. Rani Ki Vav was constructed during the rule of the Cholukya dynasty. It is located on the banks of Saraswati river. Prabandha Chintamani, composed by the Jain monk Maritunga in 1304, mentions Udayamati, the daughter of Naravaraha Khengara, built this novel stepwell at Sripatana, surpassing the glory of the Sahasralinga tank. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.